We all want them long, fluttery lashes, the kind that make you feel like a movie star every time you blink. But achieving that perfect lash look can be a daunting task. Lashes that make our eyes pop, giving us that extra boost of confidence. It's not just about vanity, it's about feeling good and looking our best. But finding the right mascara, it's a real struggle. We've all been there, standing in the beauty aisle, overwhelmed by choices, each promising to be the miracle solution. A mascara made just for you. Eyeko claims to customize the perfect formula for your lashes, but does it actually work? Today on Glowenvy, I'm putting this service to the test to see if it's a total game changer or just another beauty gimmick. Let's find out. Clumpy formulas, smudging nightmares, we've all been there. The frustration of spending time on your makeup only to have it ruined by a subpar product. That's why I was intrigued by Eyeko, a brand that promises a customized mascara experience tailored to your unique lash needs. Could this customized mascara be the answer to my lash prayers? With Eyeko, I might finally achieve those perfect fluttery lashes I've always dreamed of. Eyeko's website promised a mascara tailored to my unique lashes. The idea of having a product specifically designed for me was incredibly appealing. The quiz was detailed, asking about my lash length, curl, and desired effect. It even inquired about my daily makeup routine and whether I preferred a natural or dramatic look. Did I want volume, length? The quiz also showed various brush types, explaining how each one could enhance different aspects of my lashes. Lift? Yes to all, please. I was excited to see how this personalized approach would work for me. I opted for the Monogram tube, adding a touch of luxury. The total cost? A hefty $44. Eyeko, you better deliver. I couldn't wait to receive my custom mascara and see if it lived up to the hype. The mascara arrived in a sleek black box. Promising, but upon opening, a wave of disappointment. The monogram was a sticker. Seriously? The mascara itself came in 2 tubes, one original formula, one customized. Both looked identical. The real test would be in the application. I applied the original formula to one eye, carefully coating each lash from root to tip. The mascara wand felt familiar, and the application was smooth and effortless. Then I moved on to the customized formula for the other eye. The brushes were noticeably different. The original brush was straight and simple, while the customized one had a unique design. My customized brush had a slight curve, promising lift and volume. It was designed to reach every lash, even the tiniest ones in the corners of my eyes. The formula glided on smoothly, no clumps in sight. Each lash was perfectly separated, giving a natural yet enhanced look. I was impressed by how easily it applied. Hours later, the mascara held up well. There was no flaking or smudging, and my lashes still looked as fresh as they did in the morning. No smudging even after a good cry during a sad movie. The mascara stayed put, proving its resilience and long-lasting formula. Eyeko passed the emotional test. It was a true day-to-night transformation, keeping my lashes looking fabulous through every moment. If you love real beauty reviews, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Glowenvy glow-ups. See you in the next one.